Introducing Sony's SRS XB41 speaker with pulsing bass and lighting effects. It's portable, waterproof and dustproof, with a long-lasting battery so you can dance the night away. Enjoy powerful sound with the extra bass feature. It's tailor-made for bass-heavy music, but it gives any track extra impact. It's easy to customize the sound and choose from different preset modes in the Sony Music Center app. The new Live Sound mode is for people who love live music. It recreates the feeling of live performance with strong bass, clear vocals, and a three-dimensional audio experience. The XB41 speaker is highly versatile. It has up to 24 hours battery life, and it's certified waterproof and dustproof. You can wash it or even take it to the beach or swimming pool. Create a party atmosphere with lighting effects that sync to the beat. This speaker has a speaker light, multicolored line lighting, and a flashing strobe. Customize the sound and lighting with the Fiestable app. Party Booster adds to the fun. Tap the speaker to make it react with sound and light effects. Play along to your favorite tracks and make your party night stand out. For an even bigger night, connect and synchronize up to 100 compatible wireless speakers via Bluetooth technology with wireless party chain. Bring home the party with Sony's SRS XB41, a versatile wireless speaker with a long battery life, lighting effects, and a big bass sound.